Okay, so we got some rabbit tracks coming right through here. And one of my concerns, we sell at Dakota Line a lot of survival snares, and a lot of dealers sell our snares. And it's my feeling, in fact, I'm positive that people will buy these and put them in their backpack and they don't have a clue how to use them. When crunch time comes, they aren't going to know how to use them. And so this first snare is the one I really think you should have in your survival pack. This is the easy set snare. Because a snare by itself is very hard to use. You have to have some way to support it into place. And this has the support wire already on it. I mean, ask yourself with those snares you have, how are you going to hang them? Hanging is a term we use in snares because you hang them right off the trail. And you're going to need a support wire of some type. And so with this easy supports wire on this already, easy set snares, I can wire this to a branch that's already existing. I don't even need a stake in this case. And so I'm going to wire this off. And it takes a little practice. I would encourage you to practice before you need to use these. Okay. So this snare is in place, and it's about the size we want. However, we're going to guide this rabbit a little bit more. And by the way, these work good on mink or squirrels. Squirrel would be another one, good one for your frying pan. You always want to guide your animals, and you can guide them way more than you think. In this case, the animal, he's coming down this trail already. And I've got a few broken branches here that I busted off just so the cameraman could see a little bit better. But if we want him to hit this snare, we're going to give him some encouragement. And so we're going to put that branch in there. I'm going to bust this one down so it provides a little bit more guidance right over here. And actually, I'll just find all these are live, so there we go. That one snapped a little bit. I mean, we're in business with this set, and I read on the internet some people have trouble with the loop falling down. Well, you keep it at either 3 o'clock, but better yet 2 o'clock. So that's the set with the easy set snare made by Dakota Line Snares, and you can buy these at Redneck Convent. That's one of our big suppliers. F&T, Schmidt Enterprises, Cumberland's. There's just a Hoosier. There's a whole host of people that sell these. All right. Well, we've got ourselves a rabbit here, and so let's get a closer look at it. Get in position here where you can get a better view, the cameraman can see. And as you recall, maybe, we had the snare set right here. In fact, today the snow's gone and you can actually see the trail a little bit better. And this is a little guy. And he's caught right around the head. He didn't fight much either. Apparently rabbits kill pretty easy. And he's in the shade here, so it's hard to say how long he's been dead, but I checked him twice yesterday during the day. And so the first thing I'm going to do when I get back to the shed, which is like 8 feet behind me, is I'm gonna skin him and get the meat ready. And tomorrow we're going to cook him up. Now normally, it's very rare you can reuse a snare. However, on rabbits, Sometimes you can, because they don't fight much. And in this case we can. That snare is going to work just fine. We are going to have to put a few guide sticks up, because he must have knocked them down. And you can see that snare loop. It's maybe 4 inches by 4 inches. And we got his head to go right through it. And we're already set on the trail, so just a little blocking isn't going to hurt anything. And yeah, he may not be big, but he'll be good eating.
Wiebe Knives, voted one of Field & Stream's best hunting products. It's the last knife you'll ever need to buy to use in the outdoors. Every Wiebe knife comes with up to 24 wicked sharp replacement blades, so you'll never be caught with a dull knife. After all, it's a Wiebe. Order your Wiebe knife today with up to 24 free replacement blades at wiebeknives.com.